Hello friends, in this session we are going to discuss what is programming language, C programming language history, features of C and applications of C language. Okay, so let us start with programming language. What is mean by programming language? Okay, what is mean by programming language? So generally programming languages are formal languages. Okay, so see, we have natural languages: Marathi, Hindi, English, Tamil, Bengali. All these are the natural languages. But programming languages are formal languages. They are formal languages, and these languages consist of some rules, and these languages consist of some statements, set of statements. Getting? And these set of statements should follow some rules. That's why they are called as formal languages. So you should be formal. Getting? We are saying that generally you should be formal. So you should follow some standard. So programming languages are formal languages. So they should follow some rules. Okay. So programming languages are formal languages. They consist of set of statements which will follow some rules, okay, to get some output or to accomplish some task, okay, to get some kind of output. Okay, so programming languages are formal languages which consist of set of statements or set of instructions which are written to get some kind of output or to accomplish a particular task. Okay, so this is programming language definition. Now, which are examples of programming languages? So there are thousands of programming languages are available in the market. So see, Fortran, Pascal, Lisp, COBOL, Algol, BCPL, B, C, C#, CPP, Java. Okay, there are many more programming languages are available. Getting? Basic is also there, basic language. Getting? So see, this Fortran, Pascal, Lisp, COBOL, okay, Algol, BCPL, basic, these are old programming languages. Getting? And we are using C, CPP, Java, C#. These are modern programming languages. Getting? We are currently also we are using these programming languages. Okay, so programming language definition and examples of programming language. Okay, now we'll see history of C programming language. Next point is history of C language. How C was evolved. Getting? So as I already listed that the Fortran, Pascal, Lisp, COBOL, these programming languages were old programming languages. These were developed in around 1950 decade. Okay, so we'll start from 1960. 1960. So in 1960, one language was developed. Algol programming language was developed by one international group, consists of some scientists from all over the world, from mainly American and European countries. Getting? So that international group committee developed Algol programming language. So Algol was algorithmic programming language, and this language was famous for block structure programming. Block structured programming, and this was its a main concept or its a crux was algorithm. Getting? So this language was designed to implement algorithms. Getting? So its main feature was block structure programming, and this is the first pure computer programming languages. That's why we have taken from 1960. before this Pascal, then that Lisp, then Fortran, COBOL, those languages were developed. Getting, but they were not, we can say that they were not fully computer programming languages. Getting. Next, in 1967, one language was developed, that is BCPL. So it was Basic Combined Programming Language. Now, what is the main feature of this programming language and who developed this programming language? So Martin Richards, he invented or he developed this Basic Combined Programming Language, and the main purpose to develop or to design this programming language was, or it was developed for writing system softwares. So this language was specially designed for writing only system software. So this language was focused on only writing system software, not application software. Getting. Then in 1970, one language was developed, that is B language, and who developed this language? Ken Thompson. So P language was developed in 1970 by Ken Thompson. Now, what is the main crux or what is the main purpose behind developing B language? So Ken Thompson was working in AT&T company, okay, and they have given an assignment of Unix operating system. So he has developed this language for developing Unix or early version of Unix operating system. Getting. And then in 1972, C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie. What Dennis Ritchie done? Dennis Ritchie combined all these features together and invented C language. See, Dennis Ritchie combined block structured programming, then system software feature and Unix operating feature, and developed C programming language. Getting? Okay. And where it was developed? In same company, that is AT&T's Bell Lab. So C language was developed by Dennis Ritchie in 1972 at AT&T's Bell Lab, American Telephone Telegram. Okay, that is in USA. So this is history of C programming language. Why name C? Because before C there was B language. Okay, that's why C name was given by Dennis Ritchie. So this is brief history of C language. Okay, now we'll see which are the important features of C programming language. So C is a programming language. Okay, first thing, it is a programming language. Okay, features of C language. Okay, just we have seen C is a categorized as programming language. Now, which are the features of C language? So we list important feature of C language. So first feature is C is fast. Obviously, as C was newer language than B, BCPL and Algoline, those old languages. So obviously C is a faster language than those languages. Also, C programs are faster in execution than basic language. Getting? We have listed at the beginning, we have listed basic language. Okay, so the computer program which is written in C language is faster than the computer program written in basic language. Okay, so this is very important feature. Okay, and C is faster in current modern languages as well. That is, C is faster than Java as well. Java, C#, these object-oriented languages. So nowadays also no one can beat C language in terms of performance and this one speed. So that's why C is nowadays also it is faster than these modern programming languages. Next one is C is efficient language. Efficient and reliable programming language. Getting? C is a efficient and reliable programming language. Next feature, C is a portable programming language. Now what is the meaning of portable? Suppose you have written C program on one operating system. Suppose consider you have written C program, for example hello.c file, you have written on Windows operating system. Same file you can compile on another operating system without any modification. Getting? So you can work on any operating system with C programming language. Suppose you have written source code hello.c on Windows operating system. Here you can compile this file, you can run this file. So same file, same source file, you can port, you can move from one operating system to another operating system, and wherein you can compile and run programming language, run this particular file. Okay, so that is nothing but portability. So it is a portable programming language. Next thing, C has a modularity feature. C has a modularity feature. So in earlier discussion we have seen that Algol language was the first computer language to support block structure programming. So Denis Ritchie has taken that feature in C language. So modularity. So modularity means what? You can divide large program into different modules. Okay, so consider this is module 1, 2, 3. So you can divide large program into different modules with the help of functions. So you can reduce or avoid the complexity of the program. So instead of writing all the tasks into single function, you can have separate block with the help of functions. So that will improve the readability and understandability of the program. So that is nothing but modularity feature. Okay. Next feature of C language, C has built-in operators. C has built-in operators. So C is very rich in operator. Getting? So C, for example, plus operator. So this meaning is already known to the C compiler. So our job is to just use operand and this operator. So you will get 30. So such many operators are available in C language, built-in operators. Next, C has a very important feature, that is data type. Okay, so see, in BCPL and B languages were typeless languages. That means this feature was not there in BCPL and B languages, but C has data type feature. Getting? So you need to specify the data type of variable. Okay. And see, in addition to built-in data type, you can create your own data type. See, I can have my data type name by using again some feature, that is typedef. So I can use int as data type, that is built-in data type, but in addition to int, I can create my own integer data type. So I can give my name to data type. So see, there is concept of built-in data type as well as user-defined data type. Okay. Next feature, you can have built-in functions. In lot of built-in functions are available in C language. For example, if you want to print something onto console or onto output screen, you can use printf. Suppose you want to read something from user, you can use scanf. Now in addition to these built-in functions, you can create your own function. Getting? So such facilities also there in C language. Okay, so these are important feature of C language. Now we'll see next point, which are the famous applications of C language. Which are famous applications of C language. Okay, you can see Windows operating system. So see, Windows operating system is totally written in C language. You can see today's Unix operating system is totally coded in C language. You can see Ubuntu and many versions of Linux. They are written in C language. Now, in addition to this operating system, you can also write device drivers in C language. Okay. Now see, device driver, operating system, these are system softwares. So this feature was taken from BCPL language by Dennis Ritchie, because BCPL was famous for writing system software. So you can write, or you can develop operating systems as well as you can develop other system softwares. Getting? Now see, device drivers. You can also write device drivers of, okay, in C language. Now you can also write compiler, assemblers, linker, loader, those type of system softwares in C language. Now, very famous example of compiler, Java C compiler, Java C compiler and Java interpreter. So see, Java is an interpreter and Java C.exe. This is interpreter and this is compiler. This Java compiler and Java interpreter, they are compiling Java programs. So those softwares are written in C language. Those softwares are written in C language. So you can write these things. And in addition to system software, you can also develop games by using C language, because in generally game application we must have speed. Getting? So if you want speed, then you have only one option, that is C programming language. Okay, so games you can develop by using C language. Now you know about Android operating system, which is very popular mobile operating system. So the kernel of this Android operating system is written in Linux, and you know that Linux is written in C language. Okay, so most of the part of this Android operating system is written in C language. Okay, C language. Very famous scripting language, Python scripting language. So Python scripting language is itself written in C language. So from this application you can understand why C is most popular language in the world. Getting? And after 47 years, why C is popular and why we are learning C language. Okay, so because of these applications, C is very popular language. That's why we are nowadays also we are learning C language in our curriculums. It may be IIT, NIT, government institutes, private institute. In foreign university also they have kept C language in their syllabus. Okay, so in this session we have learned what is programming languages, which are the programming language examples. We have seen what was there before C, we have seen history of C, features of C, and then great applications of C language. Okay, so next point is versions of C language. Which are the versions of C language? Which are the versions of C language? Okay, so see, in 1972 traditional C was developed. Traditional C was developed by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie. So this was the first version. In 1978, Dennis Ritchie and Brian Cunningham. They developed K and R C language. K and R C language. Okay. In 1989, NCC. Okay. This version was developed by NC committee. Getting? So they have made C standardized. Getting? An American Nation Standard Institute. Okay. Next, C99. Okay. This was developed by ISO. Getting? C9. So sorry. In 1999, they developed C99. This was developed by ISO. Getting? Then there was one more version, C11, C15. So in 2011 they developed this. In 2015 they were developed C15. So this is now stable version of C language. Okay. So this is versions of C language. So they are keeping updating this C language. Okay. And see, NCC, this is standardized version, first standardized version of C language. Okay. And Dennis Ritchie and Brian Cunningham, they have written one book on C programming language. Okay. That after that book, C become popular language in the world. Getting? Before that was not popular, but because of that book, C programming language by Dennis Ritchie and Brian Cunningham, C become popular language. Okay, so that's all from my side. So we covered history of programming language, C programming language, features of programming language, application of programming language, and versions of C language. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Programming in My Way. So see you next video with C programming language.